get it down, down, down. Are you
What up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Gabbana coming at you with another video. It's February 10th, Saturday night.
Yeah, it's four of us.
With Brian Bernal, Jay Jones in the building.
7X. Let's go.
Right now we're just chilling at Jonathan's house real quick. We're gonna head over to Dre's house. Nah, I'm freaking gonna get a ride, I guess. We're trying to find a ride out there.
Yeah. Yeah, how do we come on the loop?
Y'all are snakes.
Dude, Julio Jones pretty jacked. Who? Julio Jones? He is fucking jacked, man. No shit, Jam. He's a fucking wide receiver. Since he entered one of these men then. That was one of those strong guys that just goes up and tears the ball away from DBs like Malcolm Butler. So Butler's not going to paint. He's streaming. What's up? Should we pick him up? That'd be cool. You like him like that? Look at this man. You better not be doing that shit on the team.
What up, y'all? I just want to end the vlog off by saying thank you to Amy for inviting me to her B-Day one more time. I had a really good time out there. Besides that, make sure all y'all follow me on all my social medias, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. It's all the same, Vic Gabbana. I also be live streaming on Twitch once in a while. I be live streaming like Fortnite and shit like that. A little bit of 2K, not that much anymore, but mainly Fortnite. Make sure y'all check me out. Once again, it's your boy Vic signing out. Like.